Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am back to work in the body book. So if you've been following for a while, you know that I got this mini happy planner to use as my body book. Body book is kind of a health and fitness, aches and pains type of book, tracking health, medication, all that stuff, all in one place. So I started out with this planner for 2024 for that purpose. And as I mentioned previously, I don't know how that got wrinkled up. I do not like the size of the space that I have for each day. Not that I have a whole lot to write down for each day, but when I do, there's no room to write it. And if I have a busy time like this could get out of control fast. Also, it's kind of hard for me to track here. And final point, I'm trying to get away from using HP planners. I may still use discs, but I'm moving away from the planners. So I don't really care for this. I think it's a beautiful planner, but it's just not working out. And I don't know what it is with me in the packaging. I just never take it off. So I'm going to build my own mini, and it won't necessarily be a mini. It's going to be a 5x7. So I have this cover here from Live Love Posh that I ordered. And this is the frosted one. I think that's what it's called. The only issue I have with this is that the mini is close to being 5x7, but it's not quite 5x7. These are the inserts I'm going to use, and I'd already cut them down to 5x7. So hopefully you can see the difference in the width of the actual insert. Let's do it like this. So the height is the same. It's the width that's different. A regular B6 insert is wider. This isn't a true B6. This is a 5x7. So a real true B6 may be less wide. I'm not sure because I don't do the European sizes. It's too hard to do that when I'm using, is it Imperial rulers? Anyway, so I do as close to US measurements as I can get, which is 5x7. So with that said, I'm not sure these covers are going to be wide enough. I didn't think of that when I had this original bright idea, but we'll see. I'll just have to make it work till I can do better. Okay, so I have these discs from Amazon that I ordered quite some time ago. It says they are 3/4 inch discs. I was going to use these. I didn't have enough of these. I love these discs. Look at anyway, I didn't have enough leftovers. These are leftovers from where I used them on other planners, but I had a planner that came with this style disc. So I took one off of that planner because I'm not using it. But now I've decided that maybe I don't want to use it. Let me put this in here so I don't lose it. Maybe I shouldn't use it on this because they're just so big, and I only have this little bit of paper right now to put on here. So because I'm just testing this out to see how it's going to work for me. So I don't have a whole lot to put on. Does this seem thicker than this one? Anyway, I don't have a whole lot to put in this yet. So I'm just going to test it out with the smaller disc, and then if I like it and I need more space, I'll use the bigger disc. So let's pop these onto the covers. Plus they're clear. And I have a thing for clear and translucent. Well, they're not clear, but they're just close. They're not crystal clear. The disc system really makes it easy for you to make your own planner, notebook. As long as you got something as a cover and you got discs, you can make whatever you want. And I could easily just do a laminated cover. It's just that over time, the laminated covers wear out. So I kind of like these poly, whatever they're called, covers. This is going to be tough. This is some thick material, which is good. It's just tough to get it on the discs. And these discs might have be a little wide too. I think that'll provide enough space. I think the discs are the same size, aren't they? Close, if not the same. All right, and that's a whole year, so let's do it this way. All right, so let's put my ollie clip on, and these are the inserts. I showed these previously. They go this way. So I have Monday through Sunday. I have tracker space, list space, note space, whatever I want to do with it, however I want to use it. And then that's it. It repeats. So I can track by the week, not by the month. If I want to do monthly, then I can put a monthly tracker in here. I can put note pages in here. But we're starting with this for now, just to see. And I also made it so that I can decorate. Not a lot, but a little bit, just to keep it fun. I couldn't do anything with that one. So this should be fun. Let's see, can I do them all at one time? I better not try that. I think I did a little over a month's worth. Let's see. So we're doing 7 holes. I don't have this marked, or do I? Nope, I don't. I think that's the center. And this one. I should probably mark that, but I'm not going to. Okay. Feels so naked. It's hardly anything here. Let's see. Now I probably will come back and put the year's worth of months in here. I probably should have already done that, but I didn't think of it until just now. Let's see. What do I have in my treasures? She's gonna be too big. I could chop her down a little bit, so I'll only be missing some flowers and a bit of her wings. Let's see what else I got. So I got these St. Patty's trio. But I don't want to use stuff from March yet. Let's see. I'm outgrowing this envelope already. I gotta come up with a better solution for storing my creations. I've just been sticking them in here, but this is getting to be too much. This is one of my favorites. I might use her since she's already the right size. I kind of want to use her too, but I'd have to reduce the size. Let's go with this since it's already the right size. I really need to invest in some more larger discs because I have so many things I need to organize and put on discs like that. Okay. Bumping my mic too much. Should I have used my other trimmer? Let's see if I can use this trimmer so I can get better practice with it. It's not laying down straight. I wonder, do I need to put a little tape on that? That looks nice, right? So I just need to put something on the back too. Hopefully that will flatten out and relax. Let's put the clip on it to close it. Okay, so let's see, can this work as a temporary pen holder? Probably not very good. So there we go. All right, so that's done. The acetate would work probably a lot better. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this week. All right, let's see what I got to play with. Now that I put the new covers on here, I need something to be able to grip it because it's so slippery. I need a grip. Let's see, can I use these? Might still be a little too big. These are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Unlimited. Okay, so I think I'm going to just do Black History Month type theme here. So I took out some stickers that I thought I was going to use over here, these, but I think I'm going to use them in there. I wonder, do I have any florals that will go with that? And what about washi tape? These are from Let's Get Plan. The link in a discount code will be in the description box below. I think I need to use these two smaller ones. Let me see what I got going on with washi tape. All right, so this is a throwback washi from Cookie Sticker Co. It doesn't, some parts of it match, some parts of it don't. So let's see. Oh, I wish I hadn't. I didn't really want her to take up that much space, but I don't want to cut her off either. That might be it, because I don't really have much more that I can put on here for that. I have these out. Let's see. I think I can use that. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark where I'm going to put my tracker headers. I think I might be making a mess. Maybe I can do this a little better next time. I learned that from Talks from the Heart. I was up in the middle of the night watching her, and I was like, oh, I'm going to try that. So we're trying it. Now I'm going to use G2 palette and put what I'm tracking. I don't know that I'm using all of these spaces. I should have decided how I was going to write first. Ooh, that's just too dark. I won't use that again. This is not my style. I'm not going to put any more headers because I don't like the way it looks already. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so that's not going to work for me. I'll have to try something else next week. Totally not going to work. Or I just don't like my handwriting. Maybe that's it. So now that I have messed it all up, I know what not to do next time. Which one of these is the ones I'm supposed to be using? Let's pop it in. I could cover that up. Maybe I should cover it up. Nope, I'm going to leave it. That'll teach me not to do that again. But I still wish I had something to decorate up here with. But it's not really about the decorating. Not really. I'm sure I could put something there to fix that. Because I still have enough space down here for those three things. If I cover that up, maybe I could use washi tape to cover it up. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cover it up with washi tape and then write it in properly or make myself some stickers. How about I do that? I'm going to make stickers for that because me writing it in is not cute. What I do like is using the marker or a highlighter. Those are Tombow markers that that was a Tombow marker that I used. I do like that to highlight and add some color, because that adds color without necessarily adding stickers. So you get some color added. That's not too bad. I'm going to write this in. Maybe if I take my time and try to go slow, it'll be better. I wonder where the gold roses from Fancy Budgeting work up there. This is from Fancy Budgeting. I will link to them in the description box below and include my code so you can go check them out. Okay, so the roses are from Fancy Budgeting. The ladies are from Let's Get Planned. The washi tape is from Cookie Sticker Co. And the inserts are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons depending on your level. And she is, well, she's no longer available. So hopefully you're a Craft Lab tech and you already downloaded it. And the covers are from Live Love Posh. The discs are from Amazon, and this is an Ollie clip from Ollie Clip. I think that's the name of the company. So we'll see how this works out this week and go from there. So before we go, I want to talk about this. I feel like this should be part of an actual planner like this. The problem is I don't want to glue these pages in every week, but I want this done weekly. Now I could get rid of the Stalogy and move into a B6 disc with my everyday stuff, because technically to me this stuff, that the things that will go in here are very much more important than the things I put in here. I mean, even with my scheduling here, what usually happens is I end up putting in doctor's appointments, medical stuff, things like that. I feel like these two can be combined somehow, but I want to think on it. If anybody has any ideas on how I can put these two together, let me know in the comments. All right, so that is it. Quick little spread. We made a whole brand new planner, and we'll see how it goes using this as the body book. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.